All right, we can go through some finds that I've had this week. We can hit a couple freebies first. First one's this horseshoe with kind of an odd toe on it. I have to ask some farrier friends about that. So that'll go with my farrier box that I've got. Here's one I got here. Let's see what it is. There we go. I have no idea what this is, but I thought it was similar to a buzz coil. Can't remember what was in here. Looks like a trembler. Buzz coil, trembler box, whatever you want to call it. Don't know what that is. This next pile, it cost me $40, I think. But picked up a buzz coil, but it doesn't have the high voltage output on the bottom. It just has the two. So I don't know if this is for a telephone. I don't know, but can probably use it as a low tension coil for one of the hit and miss engines. I don't know why, but I've been picking up these little bottles of oil here lately. So this has just taste in it still. This one's empty. Stay on the oil. I got this Eagle Oiler. Let's see if I can get it out. This is officially licensed product. So this will just stay. Half and half solder, so I can solder some more gas tanks. As soon as I saw this, I knew what it was. So it's a screwdriver. I haven't even opened this up to tell you the truth. There's the other screwdriver. There's another screwdriver. There you are. This next one's kind of cool. It's a wood box. You see what it says in there? It's magnetometer. Sterling Manufacturing Company. No, I didn't pay that. Anyway, that'd be a fun little cleanup to do. Not that I'd ever use it, but whatever. And this one is kind of cool. This was the first thing I picked up. Why? I don't know, but you see here it's a set of scales. And there's a couple weights in there too. Anyway, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching.